Yan, oo. Tatuan. Balik ka ulit?
Oo. Binaba mo ko
Di
ng
ka na,
isang araw eh.
paano? Di ka nagsawa? Oo. Pwede naman kasi magtapat kung ano talaga yung gusto para mahanap natin agad.
Hindi naman kasi
Diba?
ako mamimili sa isang tao.
Namimili? Kadayo nung hindi ka namimili.
Hindi talaga, yung pinakilala mo sa akin, may iba palang gusto. Oh, ibang hanap.
Uh, anong pakiramdam na yung pinili mo, hindi ka rin pala pinili?
Masakit.
Oh, ganyan ang ginagawa mo sa kanila.
Hindi kaya,
Anong
hindi ako gawain yan. Hindi talaga.
edi wow. Diretso hanapan nyo nga ito. Ilang taon ka na ulit? 26, no?
Seven.
27. Oh. Single ito guys, walang anak ha. Pero wasak na.
Ano? Puso. Ang puso.
Ang puso.
Puso talaga.
Ang empanada. Wala kang trabaho?
Wala, day off ko today.
Magtrabaho ka? Yun eh.
Ngayon lang ako nagpahinga.
Kaya nga, nakaka-stress kapag nag-day off ka, magtrabaho ka.
Bakit ibang lahi?
Hello,
Gusto ko
hello.
Pilipino.
Yes,
how are you?
can you open your... Yes, how old are you, my brother?
I'm 29.
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, but currently I live in Italy.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 29.
You are 29, okay. So I have a friend here, his name is Kapangpangan. She is 27 years old, but
Okay.
she's not a virgin. It's okay to you?
For me, not important virgin or not virgin.
Okay, if you like Kapangpangan, just talk to her. Go.
Okay. Hello.
Na, dugo ilong mo na, day.
Hello, brother. How are
Hello.
you?
Yes, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good.
Okay.
You're
Where
single?
you
Single
live
dad?
in Dubai? I'm single.
How old are you?
29.
29?
29.
Really?
Yes.
Wala siyang
Are you
signal.
serious? Are you serious? Are you 29 years old only?
Yes. I want my ID card. Then you believe?
Okay. I believe you. Okay. Just go ahead. Go.
Where are you
Where do you
from?
live in Dubai?
Pakistani?
Matak City.
Wala man siyang signal. Uy,
In near Islamabad.
Sir, you have a menstruation. Please clear your audio and your signal before you up here, okay? My brother, thank you so much. Assalamualaikum. Okay kayo. Brother, your signal is not good.